In this BIQ video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about BIQ. Now, BIQ is an AI-powered SEO suite that helps you rank higher and get more traffic. So, once you get taken to the main site, you'll be taken here to a list of intelligence buttons you can actually click as well. They'll help you get higher rankings in your Google searches. So if anyone Google searches for a certain thing, they could be linked to your company if you're providing information on that thing. So you got keyword intelligence, content intelligence, rank tracking. They tell you as well what they do here anyway. So this is the keyword search, and this is the crucial ranking factors they provide for you, analysis. They reveal your hitting ranking and give you accurate data and analysis. And then they can track the ranking of your actual pages themselves. A whole list of stuff they can do for you, and we're just going to get straight into it. Keyword intelligence. So keyword intelligence is really huge. Now you can see I've researched some previous ones as well, and these are things that are quite popular that are going on right now. So these are things that are quite popular going on right now. These are popular searches for things that are going on currently in social media. So there's money making. So money making both right here. There's the House of the Dragon series that came out. There's the new God of War game that's coming out. So these all things are going to be popularly searched up. But right now, let's just search money making as an easy one, as this isn't locked to a time and place. We're not in the United States, but it doesn't really matter too much, as we're not really trying to find anything for a website of ours. It's just nice to see what it can do, essentially. So you've clicked it, and now you're given a list of keywords that are very popularly searched regarding this statement. So you see here 612 keywords right there, and you've got a total search volume 2 million, and then the average competition 28%, and you can see information, activation, transactional, so the intent behind each keyword and what users are trying to find. So then you look through all of this, and if you watch the volume right here, you can see which keyword search has actually been the most popular one. And we can find that online money making right there. So you click on that, and we'll add that to our collection. But first, before we just get through that, you can look at the filters as well. You can advance your filters if you had to specifically search a certain framework of a keyword. You have it all right here, the informational, transactional. So maybe you don't want to see keywords if people are trying to just navigate through that search, or you don't want to see people trying to be transactional with it. Or again, you want short tail, long tail, relatedness, loose or close. Again, there are a lot of options available here to filter these keywords, and it will help you out in just finding what you need. So again, quick search results, you can put that in as well if you want to, but you know, we'll get that out there. Yep. Then you have export as well. You can export these to PDF as well if you want to look at the list properly yourself, actually, and that'll be quite useful to have if you downloaded that to look at. Go through content ideas as well. So it's not just keywords, actually. So it's content ideas that it's providing for you as well. So you can see here, have online surveys, online training programs, best online tutoring jobs. So these are the content you can create to facilitate your improvement in the finding of these keywords. So online surveys right there, that's the most popular one. An online course, that's actually the most popular one below. So these are things people actually require the most. So an online course related to making money quickly and fairly easily, as most people would like. Then you get to popular questions. So now you can see the popular questions related to your search. So how can I really make money in life? Learn a marketable skill. So you got these answers right here. So these are the most popular question searches related to money making, and they're all provided for you right here to see, and even the answers they get on the websites. So it's nice to have an idea and an eye on all of these things to take back for your keyword analysis and your typing and the keywords you put into your own website yourself. You go trending searches. Again, trending searches rather than even just keywords. So money making OSRs, That seems to be a popular one. And well, you got money making apps right here. So I just see the trend. Money making apps is the one that people want to find the most. So again, if you're trying to even just start up an app or create a business, you can see that is the most useful thing for you to do. Then you got the trend right here and the dates for them. And again, just that keyword overview search you had before. So let's go back. And which was the most popular one? Again, online money making. Let's add it to a collection. A new collection, we've got opulent collection. We'll add it there. So that's our collection if we want to mark in that keyword that we want to use for later. And then we'll go to new intelligence. We'll go to content intelligence as well. So that was a keyword search. This is actually a content intelligence, and we can actually enter the page URL of any place we're trying to analyze, any page or website trying to study. Hell, it could be our own, to be honest. And we just paste it in there so they can do the analysis for us. So we got this one right here, Saltus Media. If you look at the suggested keywords that we have for the website, it could be your website, of course, the importance, the analysis, of course, readability, font score, print media, electronic media, term media, metadata, the title, URL. So again, if you wanted to analyze your website or your competitors or any website that interests you, it would be useful to put it in content intelligence right there. Then you go to rank intelligence, and here you put a website of your own. So you create a domain name, essentially, of your website. It'll tell you distribution, your top 100 rankings, your estimated monthly traffic. Again, we won't really search up again because we don't need to see all of that because it's not our own website to analyze and we don't want to expose their website online. But again, it will be provided right here. Top 100 rankings, estimated traffic, search volume, creative views. They'll all be there for you to see. And then you get rank tracking. We got the actual rank intelligences of these different ones below. So I haven't really put Matchable.com properly into it, but again, you have opulent tools. You have these sort of fake domain names that we can see, and essentially on the side, they'll show you the rank trackings and the analysis. So you can see it there. Once you scroll through each name, it'll be provided for you, and that's the most we'll show. Then you get to collection, and you can see the collection of keywords you've actually compiled as well. And that's quite nice to have as well. You can see all of them, all the ones you've located in different kinds of folders. And naturally, I've created a collection folder myself. So this is what's appeared in all of them. Popular searches, keyword searches, all of that. Then you can go to your collection, your content keywords as well. You can go to your content collection. And there's nothing there actually right now, but you know, if we had the content tools there, it'll be right there for us to see and have. So that is BIQ. It provides some interesting keyword and analytical searches. It's very accurate and precise in finding what users are searching online and trying to help you to get higher in the ranking with your own website, your own domain. I wish it was a little bit more intuitive, and it's missing a few features I think would work well for it. But other than that, it's a decent product to use. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed and had any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll provide that discounted link. Thank you for your time.